Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Hello Love fanatic and I'm really excited today to talk about week 2 of our winter launch. So I did all the fall launch. I try to do it every Thursday, but I have all the fall launch up on my channel and I think I have a playlist for it, but I'm trying to film these in advance. You can still see I'm wearing a Halloween nail because it is not yet Halloween, but I did this for Halloween, but I'm trying to do these videos in advance so that I can have them up and ready when these nails go live every single week. So we go live every single Thursday at 9 a.m. Central Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Time, which is 11 a.m. Central Time is when these nails will go. So I try to get these up so that you guys can see and then you can shop and all that stuff. But I'm really excited because it is week 2 of our winter launch. I feel like the fall launch went by so quickly. And honestly and truly, if you watched my first video of the first launch, I said this, so I apologize for being repetitive, but I am so very excited about this launch. I said that about the fall launch and I truly was, but when I saw this winter launch, I was like, okay, like every single nail in here is fabulous. There is a nail for every single person on this planet. It is that great. So I'm just really excited. So without further ado, let's go through the November 9th, week 2 fall or winter launch. So the first one is going to be this color here. And as a reminder, I'll put the videos up. This is Model T Party. So what I like about this is it's a black, but it's kind of like a charcoal black. So it's not a gray, but it's not a true black. This is going to be great for those of you who feel like black is a little bit too emo. You want something a little bit more toned down, a little bit sleek, a little bit more chic. So this is not going to be as harsh, but it's really pretty. This is also a very standard color that you can kind of mix with some other things, but it is shiny. It does have a really pretty finish, but again, it's just not going to be boom in your face. With some of our other grays like Jump the Shark, it is a true shark gray. Like Jump the Shark is a perfect name because it's very gray. This is more of a, I'm so bad at describing colors, but this is a darker, deeper, like more charcoaly gray. Great for fall. I think this is really pretty. And I think a lot of people are going to like it because it's a little bit more subtle than black. I feel like black can sometimes be very vampy and very dark. This is more of a chic look, chic charcoaly black gray. So that is the first one. I do want to remind you of what comes in a pack in case you're new to the Hello Love world. So it's going to come like this. The description of the name is going to be on the box, but there is going to be this QR code that you're going to be able to scan, and it will tell you how to put the nails on and also how to take them off. You will also get a card that has all the numbers on it, and it will have the instructions as well. But with each set, you're going to have it come in these 2 packages. What I love about the way that Hello Love does it is all these are individually pieced. So you're not digging through stuff. So once you start putting on nails and you know what sizes are, you won't have to dig through it like some of the other press-on nails. It's going to be all organized. You'll know exactly what your number is and you just go in. It makes the ease of putting on your press-on nails or your manicure a heck of a lot easier. So it will have 2 layers of nails. And then it will also come with a buffer, this orange stick, and this glue. The only other thing that I recommend for first time press-on glue or press-on people is getting our nail dehydrator. This is going to be a key for getting that longevity with your manicure. You can definitely get up to 2 weeks, but I strongly recommend a nail dehydrator. Even if you get your nails done, they always do a nail dehydrator. That is how important it is. This little bottle retails for $10, and you can see here, I do my nails once a week, sometimes twice a week. And just because I'm a fanatic and I'm always, going through the stuff, but this is how much I've used in about 4 months of having it. Obviously you're not going to use as much as me. So this bottle will last you forever, not forever, but it will last you a long time. So it's definitely affordable for only $10. So that's the only other thing that I recommend for first time buyers. When you're picking up a nail set, everything you need is going to be in here, but I do highly recommend you picking up that nail dehydrator. So the next nail that is launching is this really cool color called Galactic. So if you are a glitter person, this is going to be perfect. And what I love about it, it doesn't scream holidays. It's got this dark backing, but it has all these different colors. It's got the green and the pink and the red. So it's not going to scream like, oh, it's Christmas time, because it has the pink, the green and the red in there. It's going to have some other colors that you can wear honestly throughout any time of the year. I feel like we naturally gravitate towards some of the darker colors in the fall and winter, but this is definitely one that can be used or worn all the time. So here it is a smooth glitter, so it almost feels like it has like a top coat on it. So it's not going to be like chunky or gritty or anything like that. It's not going to snag on anything, but it's just a really, really pretty, unique nail. This is gorgeous. This will be perfect for Christmas parties, all the things, but just a really, really unique, very, very pretty on-trend nail. I don't know what to say about it because I think they're all fabulous. And so I struggle with coming up with the descriptions. Like, you're going to love this nail. Like, I don't know what else to tell you, but you're going to love the nail because they really are that fabulous. The last nail that is launching is actually an accent pack. So these accent packs are not full sets. So full set, you can do all your nails. These are really focused on these 3 fingers. So you mix them and kind of get that mixed mani. They do have little trees on them. It's white, and then it has the little trees in the background. So the white is the Snowfall Miami, which I did not bring, but I will put a video or thing up here. It's just the white. It's a plain white. So you can do a mixed mani if you don't want something like that screams holidays. But Son of a Nutcracker, which is our green, with I'm wearing right here, but I put some stickers on it for Halloween. It's also a great Christmas color. So you can also do a mixed mani like this, but you can also add it with It's Bloody Hot, which is a perfect red. So It's Bloody Hot is probably, if I could pick one nail that is my favorite, it's Bloody Hot, because I gravitate towards those true like apple reds. So this is a perfect Christmas red. This is a great green. You can do a mixed mani here, or you can package this with, or combine this with Snowfall Miami and just get that very monochromatic Christmas look that's not going to scream in your face. Just, it really depends on what you want to do, but very, very cute. I'm very excited about these kind of more wintry nails. So leave your comments below. Let me know what your favorite nail is. I will leave my website below. I will leave a link to every single one of these in case you're interested in purchasing them. If you're new to the press-on world and you have questions about how to apply them or how to take them off or anything like that, please let me know and I will help you out in whatever way I can. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.